Welcome to today's special episode. Hold on. That's better. Let's try this one more time. We don't need this in. This was a stupid joke. Let me just set this aside. So the reason for this video being a special video is because it's filmed at like midnight, and there's no real special reason for that. It's because I got lazy, and then it was like 6, and then it was 7, and then it was midnight. But I need to take this video today. Anyways, welcome to the channel. If you're not subscribed, consider subscribing for all the fun content that I come out with, or I'm starting to come out with more frequently. This video is going to be about a mod list on my car, on my 2003 350z. If you don't know, this is my car. Got BMW in the back, is my friend's car, and it was used as a tool for this skit. Anyways, so I don't have a lot of mods on my car, but I do have a couple things done to it, and I wanted to give a small update for all you new people that are watching, and for all the old ones that are watching. You will see them again or hear about them again, of all the mods that I've done to my car. So let's go on to number 1, which is over here. So let's go over here. Now we're at this side of the car. And the first thing is something that's been done to the car, but before I even had the car. I don't know why I'm holding this. I'm supposed to be showing with this. I'm back with this tool again. These are the wheels that are on the car. They're extremely filthy right now because we had rain yesterday in Jersey. Well, that's okay. Oh, that's okay. These are Konig wheels. I'm not sure of the exact name. I think they're called Konig Torch or Konig Illusions. I'm not sure. I'll put the name on it. So I'll put the name of them somewhere on the screen here once I figure them out. I think it's called Konig Torch. Yeah, these are 18 by, I want to say 8.5. I think they were on the car when I bought it. The previous owner had them on the car. They're alright looking wheels, but I think the specs need to be, changed. I need a little more poke. It's not cutting it for me. But other than that, let's move on to the next thing. Oh, here's the rears. They're the same wheel. I don't know why I'm showing the rears. They're the same exact thing. They're filthy. And yes, that's it. Now we're behind the car, and this is the next one. This is not really a mod, and it's really old, if you can tell. Can you tell? The lighting? This is really old. This was carbon fiber once, and now it's just dead carbon fiber. This is what dead carbon fiber looks like. This was also on the car when I got it. I didn't pick this up myself, but it's a little lip spoiler, whatever you want to call it. It's not really a spoiler, it's like a lip. But yeah, that was on the car when I got the car. Do I need to do this? Should no. I'm good like this?
Yeah, you look like a scary man doing that.
I look like a scary man doing that. Okay, yeah, next mod is down right here. And the most noticeable thing about the car, if it's turned on, this is my exhaust. It's a 4.5 inch agency power. It's Y pipe back, so it's not really a full cat back. It's from the Y pipe back to right here. So this is an agency power burnt tip exhaust. I put that on, and I have a video. The link will be here. The link will be here to the install, but that's my exhaust. Alright, so the next mod is oh, one thing that I can't really show right now. I have test pipes. They're Berk test pipes, but I can't show them obviously because like it's already dark enough. I can't take you onto the car. It's much darker there. Anyways, the next, this is the most simple thing you can probably do. This is a cold air intake. It says Nismo on it. I have doubts that that's a Nismo, but it's okay. This is a cold air intake. This is an AEM filter. I need a heat shield for this, and I'm aware of that. So before you point it out in the comment section, I know I need a heat shield for that because it's not. 1 second.
Heat shield?
Yeah, I need a heat shield for this because without the heat shield, it's not really a cold air intake. It's all the engine hotness going into the intake, and that's kind of defeats the purpose. I will figure that out soon. Other than that, I did have a front lip. This bumper is gonna be changed soon, but look at all this shitty paint. Anyways, I had a front lip on this car. I'll put a picture of it with the lip on the screen. But I did have a front lip, but you know, New Jersey likes to snow a lot, and then the snow likes to freeze a lot.
New Jersey likes to snow?
New Jersey likes to snow. That's just this weather conditions is horrible. And when your car's parked on the street, you don't have to point the camera with a flashlight. Do I have to do this? Okay, New Jersey likes to snow a lot, so the lip kind of like froze with the snow, and then it just, bam, just came off. Maybe I didn't put it on right. Anyways, it just came off. So that's not really a mod anymore. I have this. This is real carbon fiber. It's cracking, but it's real. It's real carbon fiber. This is a carbon fiber air duct. This literally goes inside the car, like to the intake. It's supposed to give it more cold air. I have a video on that as well. That's like up there. Is it this corner? Like if you're watching a YouTube video, it's this corner, right?
I think so, yeah.
Okay. So there's a video on that over there. And alright, other than that, I really don't have many mods to the car yet. I do have a weighted shift knob, not really interesting. I did stitch the steering wheel. There's a video on that over there, but that's not really interesting. It just looks different, I guess. Other than that, yeah, I really don't have anything else done to it. Hopefully in the near future I'll have more stuff done to it, and if you're subscribed, you'll see it. If not, maybe you'll come back to see it and subscribe. If you would, I would really appreciate it.
Like, really appreciate it.
Like, really, like, come on, please subscribe.
It's just one button, click the button, man.
Anyways, I think that's gonna be the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing. Channel's link, the subscribe buttons, like down there. No, it's down there. No, not like there, like on the screen, you can see it. Anyways, yeah, that's about it. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more videos. That's about it. Have a good day, night, wherever you are, whatever time you're watching this. Peace out. Can you see it? Yeah, my battery cover just. Okay. This is my pro lighting setup. This is how Hollywood does it. Desk lamp, room lamp, street lamp. Open sign that's not open. Because we're closed. Get out of here. Street's closed, pizza boy. Okay.